Hi, I'm Anastasia from kindearth.net, and today in the kitchen I have been making butter bean patties or burgers. They're totally plant-based, they're gluten-free, they're inexpensive to make, and I have intentionally created them so they are super simple and they also taste really delicious. And you can bake them, you can pop them under the grill, you can put them on the barbecue. So let's go take a quick look and see how easy they are to make. What you want to do is pop them into a nice medium to high grill or put them on a barbecue. If you cook them in just until they're nice and tanned on each side, probably about 7 minutes each. And when they've tanned on one side, you want to turn them over. There we go. Nice and perfect. They are a little bit fragile, but look, you can pick them up and they've got a really gorgeous form to them. You just don't want to be throwing them around randomly. So thank you for tuning in. If you like what you see here, please do come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know how you get on in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.